The countdown to Tesla's most disruptive moment has already begun. Because the 2026 Model 2 is no longer just a future idea. On a whiteboard or a whispered rumor inside engineering circles, it is real. It is entering final validation, and Elon Musk has now applied the exact kind of public pressure that signals one thing. Tesla is preparing to flip an industry that thought small cars no longer mattered. When Musk says, "This will be certainly very affordable," it is not a casual statement. It is a signal that the company has reached a point where cost, efficiency, manufacturing speed, and global supply chains are converging to make the impossible suddenly look predictable. When he adds that the design is incredibly good, he isn't exaggerating. Tesla's engineering teams have been quietly solving problems other companies didn't even know were problems until now. What's happening behind the scenes stretches far beyond a simple redesign or a price cut. 7 major innovations are arriving at once, each of them reshaping what a budget EV can be. Production lines are already shifting as you watch this. Entire supply routes are being rerouted. Die-casting molds are being recalibrated. And in this deep dive, the moment you're watching right now, you're going to learn exactly what has changed, what's being built, and why the headlines you see next month will already be old news compared to the information in this breakdown. No repeated rumors. No recycled leaks. Only real, evolving engineering data that gives you the edge before this car hits the street and before we go deeper. If precise research-backed updates like this matter to you, help this channel break through the 245,175 subscriber mark, tap that button, and stay ahead of the curve. Now let's get into something wild. Elon Musk's $10,575. The Tesla Model 2 actually did hit internal market testing, and you're about to see what's hiding inside. The first major shock begins with the question no one expected Tesla to attempt. How do you merge the driving soul of a Porsche 911 with the curve language of a Jaguar F-Type into a compact EV that costs less than most e-bikes in Los Angeles? When you look closely at the Model 2's proportions and its driving posture, there's something strangely familiar. A hint of precision in the stance. A faint echo of that Porsche-like control in the wheelbase. Yet at the same time, the silhouette feels like a sharpened interpretation of Jaguar's signature longitudinal design. But it is neither of those cars. It is something completely new, built by scaling down high-end dynamics into a lightweight, budget platform inside Tesla's engineering division. They call this scaled dynamics. Instead of copying chassis numbers or borrowing sports car geometry, they reduced the polar moment principles of the 911 and merged them with the elongated motion characteristics of the FT. Their target was bold: reduce rotational inertia by 10 to 15% relative to competitors in the same price class. That reduction makes steering feel alive without becoming twitchy. It makes turns feel confident without punishing the everyday driver who merges onto a 95 during rush hour or squeezes into tight urban parking structures in California. The weight distribution confirms Tesla's approach. The company aimed for a near-perfect split of 48% in the front and 52% in the rear, slightly rear-biased, deliberately tuned to evoke the feeling of the 911's neutral handling but without the unpredictable oversteer that inexperienced drivers might struggle with. Tesla achieved this by positioning battery modules slightly rearward and adjusting the mass in the front subframe. They used roughly 55.1 pounds of structural mass placement, not guesswork, to fine-tune how the car rotates through corners. This is the type of tuning you normally see in high-performance German vehicles, not an entry-level EV. Then Tesla broke compact car conventions by prioritizing a longer wheelbase to-length ratio than the rest of the segment. They stretched the wheelbase between 6 and 12 inches beyond typical compact car design. The result is smoother long distance, cruising for older drivers crossing Arizona highways. While the short front and rear overhangs keep the vehicle agile, enough to navigate dense parking in New York condos and California beach towns. Suspension tuning is where Tesla blended intelligence with ruthless efficiency. They borrowed Porsche-style progressive anti-roll geometry, something normally reserved for sports platforms, and merged it with Jaguar-influenced multi-link comfort tuning. By softening the springs by about 15% while increasing anti-roll stiffness by 10%, Tesla created a combination that feels tight on the interstate, yet forgiving. When you hit a Chicago pothole at 3 a.m., the ride remains stable but never harsh. Intentionally tuned for American roads, which remain some of the most inconsistent in the developed world. The steering ratio further confirms how much. Tesla studied American driving habits. By making the steering about 10% quicker than the average compact, but adding digital damping to prevent twitchiness, Tesla gives drivers a blend of precision and calmness. Lane changes on Texas highways feel secure and responsive. Parking in tight urban spaces becomes easy because the car predicts your corrections instead of fighting them. The steering system works with the driver, not against them. Aerodynamics were treated as a hidden power source. Tesla didn't chase extreme downforce because that kills range. Instead, they designed the Model 2 for a 0.22 to 0.24 drag coefficient. If you drive 200 miles at 65 miles per hour on coastal California highways, reducing drag from 0.26 to 0.23 saves around 8 to 12% energy consumption. That's 8 to 12 extra miles of range. For older drivers or road trip lovers who worry about range uncertainty, those numbers matter more than any marketing slogan. The aerodynamic engineering is subtle but deeply functional, with small lift control features at the rear to maintain stability without hurting efficiency. Inside the cabin, Tesla borrowed from Jaguar's tactile philosophy. Instead of filling the interior with expensive materials, they prioritized touch points. Thicker door pulls, lower dash sills, molded foam with textures that mimic luxury vehicles, synthetic leather alternatives measured to match texture depth within 3 millimeters of actual premium leather. Most drivers' hands cannot distinguish between a $12 per yard synthetic and an $80 per yard luxury leather if the firmness and grain pattern are engineered correctly. Tesla used that knowledge to create a premium feel without premium cost. This is not imitation. It's emotional engineering. Tesla studied how the Porsche feels planted through a mountain curve, how the Jaguar glides with confidence, and then built those sensations into an electric platform from the ground up. Everything, the weight placement, the steering tuning, the sidewall flexibility, the suspension stroke, was designed to evoke the feeling that makes driving more than transportation. It makes it fun. And before moving to the next stage, think about this. If you had to pick one core engineering priority for a budget performance EV, what matters most? Steering precision for a connected feel? Suspension comfort that absorbs real-world road damage? Or aerodynamic efficiency that stretches every mile of battery range? What drivers choose helps automakers understand what actually matters beyond the marketing. Of course, none of the advanced tuning matters if the car is a struggle to enter or exit in a garage. That's where Tesla's second major innovation hits, something that seemed impossible at this price point. Falcon wing-style doors. Not the expensive, multi-axis, over-engineered version from the Model X, but a simplified, functional, cost-optimized evolution. Instead of treating this as a gimmick, Tesla treated it as a real solution to real problems. Narrow parking spaces, limited mobility for older passengers, and protection from weather when loading goods. The question many asked was simple. Why would Elon Musk approve a door mechanism this complex for the lowest cost Tesla ever? The answer lies in problem-focused engineering. A Falcon wing design increases usable shoulder clearance by roughly 16 to 24 inches. It means older passengers don't have to twist or contort. It means loading groceries doesn't become a balancing act in crowded parking lots. It means you don't slam your door into another car or a concrete column. But Tesla's true breakthrough was simplifying the system. Instead of multiple motors and aerospace-grade aluminum linkages like the Model X, the Model 2 uses a hybrid counterbalance system with a single motor assisted by over-center dampers. This reduces torque demands by 60% and cuts parts count by nearly 40%. They swapped expensive materials for high-strength stamped steel and bonded composites, reducing costs per door by up to 45%. This puts the total cost in the low hundreds instead of the thousands. Weight management is also precise. Each door had to stay between 26 and 40 pounds to maintain the car's balance and center of gravity. Tesla likely shared actuator designs with other models to reduce complexity and cut spare parts costs. Safety also improved. The rain seal geometry limits water intrusion to 0.26 gallons per minute in heavy spray, which means the cabin stays dry in storms across Florida or New York. It's a real-world improvement that matters. The idea is simple. Imagine being stuck between two giant pickup trucks at a Texas grocery store, holding a bag of milk with a sore back. You press a button, the door lifts up, and you step out calmly without squeezing or bumping anything. These tiny quality-of-life moments make the model to feel like a premium product hidden inside a budget price. But doors are only part of the equation. The structure beneath,